Alright guys, so we went upstairs, we had my computer and my test track up there, we put it on there. These wheels are no bueno. I mean, they are filthy, they're brass, and I'm just not getting a good contact with them. So, I have a set of Katie's, and I think I got some intermountains down here. Check out, I got these intermountains. And I actually have a set of Bowsers. Got Bowsers with metal wheels. Got some Katie's. Thought I had I think Katie wheels, but I got these intermountains. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna swap these out for a set of intermountains. It worked fine once I ran power directly to these pickups. So it's gotta be these wheels are no bueno. Right, I got them opposite side. Yeah. Yeah, the only problem I was having was that it kept, even when I was running power directly to it, it was coming up no locomotive, because it's checking for a motor, and there's no motor. That was the only issue I was having. Trying not to break this. All right, you know something? That's what we're gonna do. I think that's my best course. My best recourse here is to pop this truck off. So we might have to revisit these two wires on the trucks later. I just have to see if I can shorten them up a little bit. Pull them inside a little bit. It's a little bit too long. But yeah, I think we can work with this. Yeah. All right, so we're moving right along here. Pop this off. The truck's on. So we gotta do, I put these benches back. Alright, so we'll let that set up a little more, and then we'll pop the lid on, and we'll call this done. We'll get the couplings back on. I got a set of metal number 5s. I'll throw those on here, and we'll edit the video and make the announcement, and that's what we'll do. That's done. Done. Sometimes it takes a second to remember how you did them. All right. Well, that's it. So what I'll do is I'll set up the test track down here, and we'll get a little some closing shots of this, and we're going to announce it. So basically to get into this, to get into the giveaway, you're gonna have to comment at the end of this video, and what I'm gonna do is when this video is gonna drop probably this weekend. I might bump this in for Sunday. So this is gonna drop, or I'll drop it Wednesday. And I'll put it in this video. There'll be a video Friday, I believe, of another decoder installation. There'll be more talking in there. So you'll have to come back and comment in this video. Yeah. So hopefully we'll get this out, and then whoever comments in the video, and after a week I'll do the drawing again like I did the last time, a little rolling dice thing. So all right, let's get this on the track and get you some beauty shots of this over, and then we'll get this up on the net. Alright guys, welcome back. Here we are. We're on the test track. We finally got this thing figured out somewhat. Well, we got it figured out. It's working. So I got the throttle up on, turn the power on, get a glow. I don't know what that's from, but it's a glow. Everything's wired in there correctly, so I'm not really sure what's going on. I'll turn on the main cab lights. Pop up. Cupola light. Turn off the main cab light. The guy's sitting up there doing his job at night, reading his book. Boom. Lights out. Got a little candlelight going. Nope. That's it. It works. No, once again, guys, thanks for watching Jack on Track. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks nice. I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, make sure you comment. You gotta be a subscriber, and I'll draw the video. I'll draw the winner in a week or so. This video got done a lot faster than I expected to get done, so we're done. So all right, yeah, this was the installation of a TF4 Digitrax decoder into a Proto 2000 caboose. I know I was gonna put a Fred on there, 2 Freds on there, but I just can't figure out how to do it in there and be able to make it so you can take the top off. It just doesn't work. So it's no Fred for this one. If you want to put a Fred on there when you get it, you can put a Fred in there. The wires are still available for the Fred, so you should be good. Yep. So yeah. Now all I'll do is you'll get the directions with it too, so you'll know what to do. But thanks for watching, and as always, catch you later.